Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. Find the greatest number which will divide these three numbers. So the numbers are 40, 75 and 30 also. So basically you have to find the HCF, highest common factor. Now first we will find out the factors of each number. 40 is 8 into 5, 75 is 25 into 3 and 30 is 6 into 5. So we will find those numbers that are common to all the three. So here there is a 5. In 25 is 5 into 5. So 1 5 here and 1 5 here also. So you can see 5 is common to all the three numbers. So you can see 5 will divide 40, 75 as well as 30. So 5 definitely has to be included. Now if you look at 2, 2 is there in 8. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 is available. Here also 1 2 is there, but here there is no 2. So 2 cannot be taken because 2 cannot divide 75. So 2 cannot be included. Next let us try 3. 3 is here. Here also 3 is there. 6 is 3 into 2. So 1 3 is available. But here there is no 3. 3 will not divide 40. So the highest number which will divide all the three numbers will be 5. So find the greatest number which will divide all the three numbers, that is 5, option C. Find the greatest number which will divide these three numbers. So the numbers are 18, 27 and 45. So first we will find out the factors of all the three. So 18 can be written as 9 into 2. 27 can be written as 9 into 3. 27 itself is also okay. Now 45 is 9 into 5. Now we will find out those numbers which are common to all the three. So you can see 9 is common to all the three. So definitely 9. You can see that 9 will divide 18, 27 as well as 45. If you consider 2, 2 is available only here. Not here, not here. So 2 cannot be included. Now if you look at 5, 5 is available here but not here, not here. So 9 is the only number which is there in all the three numbers. So the highest number which will divide all the three numbers is 9. So greatest number which will divide 18, 27 and 45 is 9, option C. Find the greatest number which will divide these three numbers so as to leave the remainder 2 in each case. So the numbers are 26, 14 and 32. So greatest number which will divide each of these numbers and the remainder should be 2. We can see that the number should divide 24. So if a number divides 24, so for 26 remainder will be 2. Similarly, while dividing 14, remainder is 2 means the number should divide 12. Similarly, the number should divide 30. So for 32, remainder will be 2. So you have to find the greatest number which will divide these three numbers, 24, 12 and 30. Then in each case the remainder will be 2. So we will split them into factors. 24 is 8 into 3, 12 is 4 into 3 and this is 5 into 2, 10 into 3. So we will find the numbers that are common to all these factors. Now here 3 is common to all the three numbers. So 3 definitely should be there. Now 2 is here. Here also there is a 2. That is 4 is 2 into 2. Here 8 also has 2. So 3 and 2 is there. 5 is only here. Here and here there is no 5. 4 cannot be taken because here there is only a 2. 4 is not here. So the numbers that are common to all the three numbers will be 3 and 2. So 3 into 2, 6. So you can see that 6 divides 24, 6 divides 12, 6 divides 30 also. So the required answer is 6. So option D, 6. Find the greatest number which will divide these three numbers so as to leave the remainder 7 in each case. So the numbers are 127, 151 and 67. So in each case the remainder should be 7. So the required number, it should divide 120. So remainder will be 7. Here it should divide 144 and here it should divide 60. So for 67 remainder will be 7. So the greatest number which will divide all these three numbers. So we'll just split them into factors. 12 is 4 into 3 into 10. So that I'll write it as 5 into 2. 144 is 12 into 12. So 4 into 3 into 4 into 3. 60 is 15 into 4. That is 5 into 3, 15 into 4. So we'll find out those numbers which are common to all these factors. So you can see 4 is common to all the three. Here you have a 4. Here 2 4s are there. Here 4 into 2, 8 is there. So 1 4 is common to all the three. So 4 will definitely divide 120, 144 as well as 60. So if you look at 5, here there's a 5, here there's a 5, but here there's no 5. 5 will not divide 144. So 5 cannot be included. Here there's a 3, here there's a 3, here also there's a 3. So 3 is also common. So 4 into 3, 12. So 12 is the highest number which will divide all these numbers. And in each case the remainder will be 7 while dividing these numbers. 120 is divisible, remainder is 7. While dividing 151, remainder is 7. Here also remainder will be 7. So the required number is 12, option B. What is the greatest number that will divide these three numbers and leave the remainder 2, 3 and 4 respectively? So while dividing the number 38, remainder should be 2. While dividing the number 45, remainder should be 3. And while dividing 52, remainder should be 4. Which means that the required number, it should divide 36. If it divides 36, remainder will be 2 while dividing 38. Here the number should divide 42. Then for 45 remainder will be 3. Here it should divide 48. So you just need to find the greatest number which will divide these three numbers, 36, 42 and 48. So we'll just split it up into their factors. 36 is 6 into 6. 42 is 21 into 2. 21 is 7 into 3 into 2. So 42 is 7 into 3, 21 into 2, 42. 48 is 8 into 6. Now we'll find out those numbers that are common to all these factors. Now 3 is common to all the three. Here you have 6, here you have 3 and here you have 6. So 3 is common. 2 is also common. So here only 2 is there. Here 2 into 2, 4 is there. Here you have 8. So 2 is common to all the three. So 3 into 2. So 3 into 2, 6 is the highest number which will divide all these numbers. That is 7 cannot be taken because 7 is neither here nor here. 7 is here, only here. So 6 is the greatest number which will divide 36, 42 and 48. So since it divides 36, here remainder will be 2. 42 is divisible, so here it will be 3. 48 is divisible, so remainder will be 4. So the required number is 6, option A. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests. And these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only Rs 200. So all that you need to do is make a payment of Rs 200 either through Google Pay or through PhonePe or through Paytm. and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.